To buy shares in Zerodha for the long term, follow these steps. Open account. Begin by opening a demo and trading account with Zerodha. Complete the account opening process online and provide the necessary documents. Research and analysis. Conduct thorough research on the stocks you intend to buy for the long term. Analyze company fundamentals, financial statements, management quality, industry trends, and future growth prospects. Plan investment strategy. Develop a long-term investment strategy based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. Determine the amount you want to invest and the diversification strategy. Fund your account. Transfer funds to your Zerodha trading account using net banking or other available payment methods. Ensure you have sufficient funds to execute your investment plan. Place order. Log into the Zerodha trading platform and place buy orders for the selected stocks. Consider using limit orders to ensure you buy at your desired price levels. Monitor investments. Regularly monitor the performance of your investments using the Zerodha platform. Stay updated with company news, market trends, and economic developments that may impact your investment portfolio. Review and adjust. Periodically review your investment portfolio and make adjustments as needed based on changing market conditions or your financial goals.